Hello everyone, Ramya, Assistant Professor of CSC Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, subject code CS8078, Green Computing, Unit 1, topic Green IT 4 Dimensions, objective to learn about the concepts of Green IT dimensions or Green Business dimensions. First, we are going to learn about the Green IT business dimensions. That means once the driven that provides the inputs to the business for its green initiatives are identified and document, they lead to discussion on the areas of business that are likely to be affected by the changes. That means the changes resulting from green IT initiatives to transform the organization, and it is used for understanding in the integral part of the green IT strategy. That means an organization changes or transform along four different lines or dimensions. The four different dimensions are economy, technical, process, people. Here the figure shows the four dimensions. First, we are going to see the economy. It is the economic considerations are one of the key factors in an organization decision to implement environmental policies and systems. That means the cost should be associated with green dimensions, and the return on the cost or the first one to appear in the minds of leaders and those in charge of the green transformation. That means it is the primary dimension along with the green transformation occurs in the organization. For example, it also include the cost benefit analysis and financial return on investment analysis. It also used for the economic growth in the current economy. It is also usually associated with increasing carbon emissions. Next one, we are going to see the technology. That means it is an organization's hardware, network, infrastructure, software and applications. It is also more popular and visible aspect of green IT. That means switching of monitors, virtualizing servers and printing on physical paper or the initial. Here also we have some visible aspects of change that all occur along these dimensions. First, we have to follow some long-term strategy. What are the changes in the way the data center is organized and operated? And then the emerging information technologies such as service orientation, software as a service, and cloud computing are creatively used in this dimension. Using this, you can able to reduce an entire organization's carbon emissions. The next one is process. It is a process dimension of an organization that should deals how things are done with an organization. That means here the business process engineering is the fundamental rethinking and also the radical redesign of business process. Using this, you can able to achieve the dramatic improvements in critical, for example, cost, quality, service and the speed. Here we have the process dimension of an organization is perhaps the most visible one, and it is often used to judge the level of ecological responsibility for an organization's green ICT. That means it is the process dimension has immediate and measurable effects on a business operations carbon footprint. It also has effects on client, vendors and business partners in the people collaboration. The next one is people. The most difficult and perhaps most complex dimension of a green enterprise transformation is people. That means in the organization behavior that should be studied to greater depth in the discussion. How they focus is on the attitude of individuals and socio-cultural setup, how they operate in the context of the environment. For example, an enterprise-wide green strategy is the best driven from the top of the organization in order to ensure its success. The next one is leadership. Within this people aspect, such as that by senior directors and chief officers is a deciding factor in the environmental initiative. That means the involvement of senior management bringing about a change in the people dimension is vital and also should be done at an early stage of a green initiative. then only the involvement from the senior leadership requires a substantial commitment in terms of time, money, and other resources. And then the making the key stakeholders fully aware of the importance of the green initiatives for the organization, and through them promoting the initiative to bring about fundamental changes in attitudes or keys to success. Thank you.